Welcome to the channel that encourages you to be doing stuff today. We are at Walt Disney World's Swan Dolphin Hotel in Orlando, Florida. This video will be a quick overview of the hotel itself, and then we'll show you how to get from the hotel to EPCOT without ever getting in a car. Spoiler alert, it involves a boat ride that's part of Disney transportation. And while my kids are busy jumping on the beds, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this. We're at the Dolphin Hotel, Walt Disney World. This is a parking lot, parked in self-parking. So to get to self-parking, you gotta check in, obviously. You gotta pull up to the hotel under the awning. And then once you're done, you go back out the exit, and you make a right, and then another right, and you have this self-parking lodge here. You can also valet, and I believe self-parking is $40 a night, something like that. Still have to pay for parking. If you don't have your room key yet, you can grab a ticket out of the little kiosk when you pull up, or of course if you have your room key, you can just use that. This is the area you pull up in. You have the valets here, you got bellhops. That's the valet window right over there. You just come into the entrance. They have regular doors, but they also have this fun spinning door that our kids love to go in. It spins on its own, so you don't need to do anything except for walk. And then enter in. Now the Swan Dolphin Hotel isn't actually owned by Disney, but it is on Disney property, so you still get the park perks, including early access. It's operated under the Marriott International umbrella. The Swan Hotel operates as a Westin, while the Dolphin Hotel operates as a Sheraton. There's the check-in desk and the bellhop. This is the Fuel grab-and-go marketplace. There's also a coffee shop in there. And if you're looking for Danishes or those Mickey waffles, Fuel is the place to get them. And this grand entryway, there's a bar to the left, nice fountain. Throughout the hotel you're going to have some little displays here, especially for kids summer. Got the Mickey ears here. And then across the way, there's this guy. We are going to show you the room 3026. So this is actually on the lobby level, but we did hear there's a balcony. The kids are currently playing hide and go seek. So you walk in, there's a storage closet to the left with a good amount of room. It has a safe inside. Store your personal items. It does come with an ironing board, some hangers, and an iron. You have a little wet-ish bar here with a coffee maker. There's coffee in there. And it has a swivel mirror. To the left, bathroom. So there's no doorway here. Just standard, it's nothing too fancy. I do like the tile in the shower here. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, so you don't have to worry about that. I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm not sure how the water pressure is, but it looks nice. And it opens up to the room itself. Kids have been jumping back and forth in the bed. Are the beds comfortable?
Yeah!
Alright, the beds are comfy. Big TV with ample storage here. And then in here is a refrigerator. Put cans in there. There's a few levels. And then we come out here. It also has an office desk. Come out here, and this is the view from this room. So right here is the boat that goes to EPCOT, I believe. It goes to EPCOT, right?
It goes to EPCOT and Hollywood.
EPCOT and Hollywood Studios. The Dolphin, or the Swan Hotel is right there. It's a little walkway. You walk across this bridge and then you go across here. You can actually walk to EPCOT or Hollywood Studios, but EPCOT's closer. Or again, you can take the ferry boat over. And that is the room. Here's a courtyard. See the, I know, I guess you can't see the dolphin. Dolphin statue up top. This is like a little courtyard enclave. It's actually a good view for a third-story lobby level room, which actually works out nice because we have the lobby. We could just walk there. We don't have to take the elevator to go out front, to go to the lobby, to go to the restaurants. We can just walk straight there and still have a view up high. The pool area is down from the lobby. The lobby's right up there. You have the fountains, which is an ice cream shop. Rosa Mexicano. You have Blue Zoo up here, which is an adults bar and restaurant, I guess. They have a good amount of seafood. You walk down here. There's a fountains with a kiosk, so you can order your ice cream, order your floats. Fitness center. So eventually you wind your way down. There's an arcade. Here we go. We have a little bowling alley in here. This is another section of the arcade, same arcade. This is good for World Cup. Oh, Peppa Pig. I know someone who would love that. You have photo booths, you have all types of games in here, including these rip-off games. They even have laundry on site, so if you need to do your laundry, obviously you have to pay for it, but you have availability for that. This is the gym area. All different machines to work out on. Vending machines. You can watch television. Even have some sweat towels for you. And we are at the pool area. If I remember correctly, these pools are both for the Dolphin and the Swan Hotel. Which the Swan Hotel is right over there. Just walk down, there's a playground over there, some hammocks, a nice beach area, some swan boats. Then you have a few different pools. There's a bar and restaurant as well. There's plenty to do out here besides the theme parks. So if you want to just make it a weekend at the hotel, you probably will not get bored. And now it's time to take the trip from the hotel over to EPCOT. The water transport that connects the two is known as the Friendship Boats. The boat dock is located exactly in the middle of the Swan and Dolphin Hotel, so you can access it from either one. These distinct and colorful water taxis run along Crescent Lake. The boat makes multiple stops along the way, including the Yacht Club Resort, the Beach Club Resort, and then the Boardwalk Resort. Finally, it goes over to EPCOT. But this is a great way to see the entire boardwalk and everything it has to offer. Sometimes you'll even see bonus surprises, like this bride and groom. The boat ride itself takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes. They usually start operation 1 hour before early park entry and end 1 hour after the parks close. But it drops you off at the back of EPCOT, so when you arrive in the gates, you're already at the World Showcase. The back entrance and exit is located between the United Kingdom and the France pavilions. As mentioned earlier, you can actually walk from the resort to EPCOT itself, but the boat is a fun little ride. We have arrived at EPCOT. If you want to see more of my EPCOT videos, make sure you click this link. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button. And as always, thank you for watching.